Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, September 8th, 2025. We're covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all positive today except for mid-caps. The Nasdaq Composite Index led the way, hitting a new all-time high at 21,798, up 98 points. The Dow 30 and S&P 500 both showed very strong upward trends. Market breadth was mixed across the major indexes. The Nasdaq showed stronger advancing stocks with 1,645 gainers versus 1,457 decliners. The S&P 400 midcap displayed weakness with more decliners than advancers. Looking at returns, the Nasdaq Composite outperformed with a 1.6% weekly gain. The Russell 2000 and S&P 400 midcap also showed strength, both up over 1% for the week. Technology led the top-performing sectors, with technology rising 0.67% after breaking out from 3 days of sideways movement. Consumer Cyclicals followed with a 0.53% gain, while basic materials extended its winning streak to 3 days. Utilities led declines, falling 1% in its 7th consecutive down day amid strong downward volatility. Real estate dropped 0.67%, while communication services declined 0.31% despite showing some upward volatility. Global markets showed strength, with Poland and Japan leading gains, up 2.3% and 2.2% respectively. Japan hit a new all-time high, while China broke out of its recent consolidation pattern. Year-to-date returns show Poland leading with a remarkable 57.5% gain. China follows with a 32.9% return, while Israel has advanced 25.7% this year. Major tech stocks showed mixed performance today. Apple declined for a second consecutive session, while Amazon gained 1.5%. Alphabet and Nvidia maintained strong upward trends, with Nvidia showing particular resilience. Meta platforms remained relatively flat with mixed positive momentum.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 111,983 with an 853-point gain. Solana and Dogecoin are showing the strongest momentum, up 4.1% and 4.5% respectively, both advancing for 2 consecutive days. BNB and Ethereum are marginally lower, but maintaining their positive trends.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad weakness against major currencies. The dollar has a particularly strong negative trend against the Euro and Swiss Franc, with the Swissy experiencing notable downward volatility today. Against the Aussie dollar, the greenback is declining for the 3rd consecutive session, whilst against the yen, it's broken downward after 3 days of consolidation.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.